talk about a little tip I have about finishing leather off. So sometimes we use the wonderful tokonole to finish the backside to make this smooth or to lay down the fibers. But today we're not going to do that. We've got some lovely oil tan here and tons of pull up. Look at that. That stuff's gorgeous. Gorgeous stuff. So this is untreated. Okay. This has one layer of tokonole brushed on, and this is a final product. So all we do is we put a light coat of tokonole onto the finished side of our leather, and then we take some cloth and just burnish the top side. And you'll notice, because of the lighting here, you can see how this is shiny and this is still dull. So this is super smooth. This is pretty smooth, but you can definitely see the difference in the lighting. And you can go as long as you want with this. If you want to add another layer, you can. This is going to last a good while. Now you can see that it is much shinier, but the cool thing is we still have this awesome pull-up. It still does that. We still get the durability, and now it's much shinier, and honestly it's really smooth. Once you're finished, you get this nice shine to it. Super soft. Kind of reminds me of shell cordovan or the museum kind of waxy feel. This tokonole has like some resins and stuff in it that kind of help lock in those fibers a little bit more, and it gives you a great finish. So give it a try. See what you think.